Yes,
1 minute.
Eclipse.
One,
For
1 minute. Okay, sure. 1 minute. Okay, fine. It's live now. We can start.
okay. So today's topic is development overview, SVN, Eclipse source code overview, and compilation. Okay. So SVN, we have already seen, and you know already SVN how to use and check out code.
Yeah, but is there
While
any
this one,
specific rules for the project, like while deploying, this is what we should do, while doing any change, this is what we should do?
yeah, yes, yes, yes. Yeah, actually, that part will come under release management.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, while once we are ready with the development, then while releasing the project package, then this versioning and all will be over there.
Okay, fine.
And to check in the code and how to do that. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Coming to now. So I have opened Eclipse here. Uh, okay, so you have Eclipse on your machine, right?
Yes, I have Eclipse.
Okay. Mm, so Eclipse, you okay. So I will start for the Eclipse topic. There is nothing much more to cover because it's the tools and you can learn from as you start work.
Yeah.
Uh, okay. Okay. Uh, so as I mentioned previously, we have applications, components and services. Uh, under applications, we have these many number of applications. From that, ASM Turnkey is the main application. Okay, so all rest of the applications are supporting applications to this ASM Turnkey application. Okay, so I think I'll just delete and will import once again. And we have all the projects are Maven projects, right? Yeah, one more thing that you also need to learn Maven.
Mhm.
Actually, it's a build tool that we use to build the project.
Okay. Do we have any document or user guide on that?
No, actually, it's a tool so you can get the information from the Google.
Okay.
So yeah, there is no such document for Maven. Okay. So how to import the project in Eclipse? We have to go from File, Import. We have options here like General Project and Maven. So select Maven. Go to existing Maven projects. Okay. Then browse here and select your SMTurnkey project that is under working applications and SMTurnkey. Okay, and select this trunk folder.
Mhm.
Click OK. So it will analyze project and all. Okay, now project here you will see the import in Maven projects.  'Cause. 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 Yeah. In Eclipse, one more thing, the Maven repository, right? So Maven repository is a repository which contains all the folders and all the dependent, yeah, uh, all the dependencies, right? Once you learn the Maven, then you will get to know that uh, about the form.xml file, and we have dependencies, how we are dependencies over there. Uh, okay, yeah. Under this my local D drive, I have created one folder that is maven underscore repo, right? You can also similarly create the folder maven underscore repo. Okay, so in that, I'll send you this setting.xml file. This
Okay.
file is important, that it's having the details of proxy settings that we connect to the global foundry repository, the path and the details. Okay, so you just need to put this setting.xml file under this maven underscore repo folder. So I
Okay.
will send you at the after the meeting, right?
Okay. And all
And
other
we need
folders
to
it will create automatically.
yes,
Other
yes, yes.
folders.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes. I will tell you that once you create this folder and copy the setting out file, then this Eclipse, right, and you need to give the path to Eclipse in Eclipse that setting.xml file, right? So how to give that path? Go to the window in preferences, then go to the Maven, right? And here you will find that user setting here, user settings,
Okay.
and yeah, and select the path on your local machine about for the setting.xml file, right?
Mm, yes.
Okay. Uh, Once you select this path, just click on apply and OK.
Okay.
So it will it will get to know that for those dependencies, I need to look this setting.file and get download all the jars from that repository. Okay. So now we have imported this SM Turkey project. Okay.
And
So
okay, where are we linking the SVN with the Maven? SVN path.
SVN path. Actually, we don't need to attach the SVN path here. You can just see here under these folders SM Turnkey, right?
Yeah.
So you can see whenever you made any changes, so you can find this red icon, right? So
Yeah.
that you have changed something here. So
Yeah.
and you also get to know that
This is
you
your
you,
local.
you know this right already.
Yeah, yeah, I know SVN.
Sorry.
This is your local path, right? This is SVN directory. Hello.
This is my local path, but actually in S1 it already syncs, right? It sync ups with that path. I didn't get your question actually.
No, no. Whenever we change something, Maven has to update these files, right? Local files.
Yes, yes.
Local SVN file. How it is linking? Is there any setting for Maven saying that this is the local SVN path kind of thing?
It's not kind of local S1. This is my local machine actually.
Yeah, local copy.
S1 is yeah, local copy here. So if as you already see this right, import and existing Maven project, right? And you already choose this path, D working applications, SM turnkey run,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So
Yeah,
from
yeah.
here, it will know that, yeah, yeah. So
Yeah,
it
got it.
will already,
Yes.
yeah, it will, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So in each project, we have this number of folders, okay? Like first is SM turnkey assembly, SM turnkey doc, EAR, EJB, test client, war, B2B, right? So each project has this number of folders. So under this ASMView doc folder, we have documentation here, right? So installation guide.xml and release notes.xml. So in these XML files, uh, you will find the information. Yeah, I will show you. It generates the PDF file after you build this SM key. So it will generate the PDF file from this XML by reading this XML, right? So how it will look like, I will show you under this doc. Okay, so I need to. It has not generated a file. Okay. Okay, let me first tell you, then I will show you how it generates a PDF file, right?
Okay.
Uh, here you will find title, that setting up database. Once I open the PDF file, you will get to know all the information.
Mhm.
We have, okay, so, and in release notes, this also generates PDF from this XML. So we add information like the MSR number, yeah, MSR number and CR number, right? So so that, and we also add what actually we have changed the functionality here, and the version, the new version that we are releasing, right? So this information is present here, and we adding the comment here if yeah, for the sake of release purpose, from this document the release person will get to know that which version I had to deploy and all, right?
Okay.
So this is about the doc. Then EAR, under this EAR folder, once you build this application, what it will do, it will generate the EAR folder, right? You will find that it under target. Under this target folder, you will find this asmturnkey.ear. So for this whole asmturnkey project, we have to just deploy this asmturnkey.ear folder, right?
Okay.
To the path that I shown you under the in WinSAP, under the application, like deploy applications folder, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. If you want to see still, okay. So this is the only thing that is under the ER. There is no other things. Okay, and ASMPNK EJB is the main folder that our whole business logics resides here. Okay, you will find under the source main Java folder, we have this number of packages, right? That is ASMPNK, Bees, IMPL, validator, data, DAO, IMPL, right? This number of packages. Each package have uh, the .java files as per uh, yeah, it has group accordingly. Like we have .biz, .biz package here. So we will find all the interfaces in this package, right? Uh, for example, SMNK B2B service bin. Let's take this now file. You will find here this is an interface, right? You will find this is an interface, and in this interface we are having this method, start method. Also we are having this move method, right? Any you I think you know Java, then you know that in interface we have only the declaration of the method, not the
Yes.
implementation,
Okay.
right? Okay. So we have, if you see this, then you will find that we have start, move, complete, hold, release. All these methods we have declared here, right? This is about the bees, and we have the IMPL folder, bees.impl. Under this, we will find the implementation of those interfaces. So I have opened that I will open this PDB IMPL. So in this file, you will find uh, this method, right? Start, move, all these methods that are present in that B2B interface, bin interface. So once you, for example, the start method here, you will find start method, right? So start method, we have declaration here and we have implementation here, right? So this is the code that is that start will execute. So now we will look after this execute this code. I will show you the how it works. Okay, so this is about the this IMPL folder. Okay, and we are having connectivity with the database. So we are having DAO IMPL, right? So and here, as I told you previously that uh, under working we have applications, components and services. So in components we have one component is really important. This is image actions. Okay, so image actions, what it does, uh, let me show you. For example, uh, we are having, then we this request comes to the ASM, right? Then ASM key connects Fab 7 or any other fab, right? So any other fab, or for example, it also connects to the its own database, right? ASMView uh, database, or right. So to there is an MS action this project, right? It help us. Uh, you mean it has all the details like connections and transactions that are present in all these fabs, right? So we once request comes from B2B to SM Turnkey, then SM Turnkey tries SM Turnkey uh, first updates the ASMView database, right? So it gets the data from the ASMView, whether in case of STB request, it first check whether the lot is exist in ASMView or not, right? So for that, what it will do, ASM turnkey gets data from the ASMU database for that lot ID with the help of MS actions, right? So MS action, it calls the method in MS actions that will fetch the data from ASMU DB, right? So you can say MS action is a mediator kind of thing between the ASM turnkey and all other that we get data and we update data, right? So I will show you the MS actions code later on. Okay, so we have here some we have here configuration that in SMTN key in these packages we have configuration of the that MS action package, right? So this is about yeah SMTP. We are having test client. In test client we are having test cases. Okay, test cases like once start request. Uh, uh, these test cases are like once it build the application, right? So it test the those methods on the basis of the data that we have provided. We are providing 100 cycles for the data, right? We will I think you also need to learn JUnit test cases, JUnit, right? Maven, as I mentioned previously. So
Okay.
you can also JUnit, right? So once you learn JUnit, then you will get to know that how these test cases work, right?
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, so we have here WS B2B. WS means web service. Okay. So under this WS B2B, you will find actually this WS the see over here like request comes from B2B to SM Turnkey, right? So SM Turnkey before here we are having SM, we are having one component ASM Turnkey interface. This project we are having here. So ASM Turnkey, then ASM Turnkey WS B2B, right?
Hmm.
Turnkey WS B2B. So like once request comes here, SM Turnkey B2B uses these component interfaces. Actually, we are having WSJ here. If you open this interface, then you will find that we are having WSGL, that is web service code here.
Hmm.
Okay, web service code interface, and we are having implementation of that web service here in this WS B2B. So simply, I can say that request from B2B comes here. That is SMK WS B2B, right?
Okay.
So once the request comes to WS B2B, then it does some business logic here, and then calls the method that is present in SMK EJB, and then
Hmm.
SMK EJB calls the image actions method, right? This is like flow. So if you open any here, for example, B2B IMPL, right? So you will find the same method like start, move, complete, hold that are present in SMK EJB, right? Folder that we saw recently. So for example, start method. So it is doing the first request that is that I show you here. The first request from B2B, it comes here to WSB2 right here. So you will find this request we are getting here, and we have validations for the request whether it has yeah, you will find uh, yeah, I will explain you this code how it is later on. Okay, so this execute it will it calls this method. Sorry, yeah, if you see, yeah, in this WSB2B, this B2B from IMPL, we go to the start. You will find the here Java classes for each operation, right? So here, and we are calling B2B service start. So it will go to the our EJB, right? So if you see that ASM key EJB, so we are having here just now I show you, right, this
Yeah.
operation start operation. So how request is coming here, right? So it's coming from this WS B2B to the SMK EJB, right?
Okay.
And we are having this common folder. So in under this common, all the those methods are common, right? So those present in common folder, okay, like converter and these things. So we'll see it later on. And we are having here HTTP, right? This uh, like we have STB and B2B, these two main flows, right? So STB, we are having separate web service for STB, right? So like WS B2B, we are having WS STB. So under this, you will find that STB IMPL, like B2B IMPL, we are having. So this will also connect to the SM Turnkey EJB, right? And yeah, this is about the folder structure for the application. I think you got the idea what is present in each folder, right?
Yes.
And I will show you the this is the parent folder ASM Turnkey, and these are subfolders, right?
Yeah.
RPA, doc, EJB, and for this parent folder, we are having a parent form. This form.xml is a parent form. So, do you know anything about this form.xml
No.
field?
No.
No, right? Okay. So, now you will learn it in Maven once you learn the Maven tool. You will get to know how form is there, right? So,
Okay.
form is in form.xml. We are having the versioning of this
Mm-hmm.
project, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in version tab, you can see this 10.8.0 is the current version of this project,
Mm-hmm.
and we are having these properties. Uh, yeah, properties here. So
Mm-hmm.
for this here, you can find the image sections version. So we are using in this project we are using the 661.5.0 version of the image section,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, you will also find here ASM Turnkey ITF version, right? So
Mm-hmm.
I have just mentioned here that ASM Turnkey interface we are using, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we are using this version of the ASM ITF, and we are also using 5 Turnkey interface, ASM setup service interface, right?
Mm-hmm.
And in form.xml, we are in normal project we add jar file that are required, right? But it's not the case here. We are adding dependencies, right? We are just adding dependencies like you will find here dependency management. So you will
Okay.
find here dependencies, right? So
Okay.
this is the first dependency that is access-infused dependency. Then for this image actions, we'll find we are using image actions ASMView, and version is image actions. This version we'll find it will take from here image actions version.
Okay.
It will take this value.
Okay.
Okay, right? So yeah, okay. So it will put this version here,
Okay.
right, under this version tab. And we have also using image actions data. This package and version is present over here. And rest of these properties SMLK ITF and this setup, right? So it will be used in rest of these folders. For example, let's open this EJB uh, folder, EJB form, right? I will open this form.
Mm-hmm.
So here you will find the dependencies that are required for this SMLK EJB.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we require SM sections, SMU, image section data also,
Mm-hmm.
and okay, yeah, these are the dependencies that are required for the SMN EJB, and
Mm-hmm.
we are having this STB here, right? So STB, I will open the pom.xml of the folder. Okay. So here you will also find the dependencies, right?
Mm-hmm.
So here you will find the SMN ITF, right? STB service.
Mm-hmm.
That I mentioned you, right? In the and it will take this version from where from the parent form SMTurnkey ITF version, right? From this parent form, it will take this SMTurnkey ITF version,
Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
It will take this value. It will take this value and it will put here in this. yeah, here in this direction. Okay, so it will take that version.
mm,
So we are maintaining all the versions in parent form,
okay,
and also we are using 520 ITF also here. These two dependencies we are using,
okay,
and you can also see in WS B2B. If you open this form.xml of WS B2B, it will find here also we are using SML key ITF and 510 key ITF, right?
mm,
So we are using 510 key ITF B2B service client, right?
mm,
Here we are using 510 key ITF B2B service, right?
mm,
Service client. These are the subfolders of 510 key ITF. In,
okay,
okay. So this is about the dependencies and versioning.
mm,
Okay. So in each form.xml, you will find this parent, right?
mm,
So ASM key 16.8.0. Okay. So this is about the forms, form
mhm,
fields. Okay. I will show you how to build the project, right? In Eclipse, you are having this Maven dependency, right?
yes,
You, you- yeah, in your Eclipse, yeah. So how to build the project? So right click on the parent folder,
mhm,
then go to run as,
mhm,
then click on this run configurations.
okay,
Okay, so just click on here, Maven build, create new,
mhm,
then give your directory path, browse your files from where you your local you have opened that internet. Okay, this trunk, give this path
mhm,
till trunk. Okay, then put the goal as a clean install.
mhm,
uh, Actually, once you learn the Maven, you will know the meaning of this clean, meaning of this install, what it does actually.
mhm,
In Maven, we are having goals, right? Clean,
mhm,
build, MV, install. All these are okay. So for that, you need to learn the Maven. Okay, and just give the here name SM Turnkey for our reference purpose. Okay, so just and click on apply and click here run.
mhm,
Okay, so here in this uh, console you will find it is building the project.
mhm.
So just wait for the build successful. It will compile. You can see the log. Then it's compiling the code, source code, right?
Mm,
Yeah, and these tests are it's executing the test cases that we have prepared in under the test folder.
okay,
Yeah, it's compiling the project and just yeah. After this build, it will prepare the .er file. If build is successful, so that our changes has been compiled successfully and put in the .er file, so that we can deploy that ER file to the that application folder. Just restart the server, and we can test the changes.
mhm,
So you can see here build success message, right? So all the folders are compiled and built successfully.
Hmm.
Okay. If there is any error, then it will show you some thing uh, uh, above this, that this info right tab, right? So it will show you that error, and it will show you the line number and everything at which the Java file name and the line number where actually error is causing, right?
Mhm.
So you have to go open that Java file and correct the error, and then
Okay.
rebuild again. So this is about the how to build and how to build the project. Okay, so I'll import the that MS section code here. Like similarly, go to working, then components. We are having MS sections here. Next, resolve that. Finish. Okay, so it will import the project. Okay, I'm having meeting actually at 1:30. Okay, we are having 10 minutes only. Okay, MS Actions package imported. uh, in MS Actions, you will find that MS Actions ASMView common, right? Common SM data, Fab18, Fab7 IO, Fab here MS Actions inside, right? So
Mhm.
under this MS Action ASME folder, you will find all the transaction and the code that is related to the ASM turnkey. That is ASM view, right?
Mhm.
ASM view,
Okay.
and all the code that all the transactions are present here for Fab18, right? So Fab1 and Fab8,
Okay.
all the transactions that are required for the Fab18 we are present here, right? And all the code that is transactions for required for the Fab7 are present in this Fab7 side view, and for inside here.
Mhm.
And under this common, you will find all the transactions that are common in every fab, right?
Mhm.
So okay, and SM for SM, it present all the transactions that are required for the to connect to the SM client,
Mhm.
right? Get the information from SM, product information, right? So this is about the MS actions. If you open the SM view, you will find. I will show you, for example, some transactions. For example, here you will find this execute method, right? Execute method. This is the get information transaction here. You will find. Okay, this is SM lot info INQ090. This is the transaction where it actually connects to the SMU database. That is, this is the Corba transaction, right? You mentioned Corba, right?
Yeah.
Uh, yeah. So I will reason again. Let me reason. Yeah, here you will find that we are invoking the transactions, that invoke method, right?
Mhm.
And we are passing the request, this request dot info request, and Savi user get system, MS system, right? Details,
Mhm.
and it
Mhm.
will actually the Corba transactions comes into picture after this invoke, right? And
Mhm.
actually we connects to the ASMView database and how it gets the information, right? It's the job of this transaction, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we are just concerning till this now, till this invoke method, right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, we are past. I will explain the flow and how it comes to this execute method from this simple key EJB. I will explain you. I think tomorrow I will cover that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I will just show you the basic structure of the project and all. Okay. Yeah, I think for today the only yeah today we have covered how to set the Maven repository and how to import the project and we saw the folder structure, right? Also, and we so yeah uh, some code also.
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow I will show you how exact flow, how requests come to the B2B and how it reaches to the SMTMP, which method, and how it goes to the MA sections and cause the required transaction.
Okay.
I think we'll cover that part tomorrow.
Okay.
So yeah, this is all about today's session. Do you have any? If you have any question, then I think you can note down and we are having meeting at 2:30, right? So yeah, you can tell me. So I think yeah, I have to join another meeting. So
Okay.
yeah, today is so if you have any question, you can note down and we can discuss in yeah our meeting.
Okay.